What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for MicroStrategy Incorporated with the ticker symbol MSTR. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Please trade at your own risk. So I'm trying to look at MicroStrategy every Saturday. So if you guys want to see MicroStrategy every Saturday, make sure you leave a comment down below. Make sure you give the video a like. So let's take a look at the daily chart. Very bullish stock, obviously, right? It's breaking outside of its dominant technical pattern, which was a range pattern. It was range bound from about March up until about October, early October, and now it's breaking out of that range structure. So it looks pretty bullish. We do have a measure move target in place. So you see this was all one large leg up in the past, and then the market can make a similar size leg in the future. And that's the target at the 255 levels. So that's the current target in play, 255, 256. So there's still about a 20%, 21% gain left in the market. I would say it's probably too late to enter. This is the all-time high territory. If you enter right now, you could be buying the top. So again, there's no good opportunity to enter anymore. The good opportunities were right around here, at the mid $100 level. That was a great opportunity right around here, 142, 150. To ride it up to the top of the range, but you can see that price was pretty bullish, and traders who held on longer are profiting more. So either way, this looks pretty bullish. Why? Because we broke outside of the range pattern. We back tested it for support, and then we saw a nice push off of that. So now this prior resistance level is acting as support now. So again, the market likes to test levels, so now it's testing as support. It completed as support, and now we saw a very strong rally off that level, almost practically 16% in one day. So now again, whenever price breaks out of a range, it can make a similar size move in the future of the size of the range. And if we double the range, you can see that it takes it very close to that measure move target. So we have some confluence there. So traders who are using measure move targets or traders who are using range measure move targets can come to the same conclusion, and that makes the target more stronger. So 255, 256 is the target for this impulse. It looks very good. Price is above this trend line right here. Everything is just very bullish about this stock and the company itself, right? You can see that everything will generally tend to zero, compared to Bitcoin, right? Relative to Bitcoin, the only thing that can keep up is companies building on top of Bitcoin or holding Bitcoin, like MicroStrategy. It looks like key facts today: MicroStrategy co-founder Michael Saylor highlighted the company's Bitcoin strategy, achieving a 44% average annual return since August 2020, with over 13 billion in Bitcoin assets. So a very strong company. This company might be the most valuable company in the world. We'll see if that occurs, but it is already almost 40 billion. And again, if Bitcoin does what Bitcoin promises to do, or what it can potentially do, this could be the most valuable company, one of the most valuable companies in the world. So again, long time away though, maybe like 15, 20 years, maybe 25, but it might do that. And either way, in the short term, technicals are looking very bullish. You see that price was having a bullish imbalance, higher lows, and then we broke through this downward trend line. Bears failed to reach the measure move target at the 86. So again, that was a very good long opportunity right here, signaling that price was going to rally higher. It did, and you see that price broke outside the range. It's staying outside the range, and it's continuing to move up higher. So I'm looking for the mid $200 level. Take a look at the weekly chart. Weekly chart, shows more or less of the same thing, practically near, or actually, it looks like there was a prior all-time high right here at the 331 level. Let me take a look at the log chart. Look at the log chart, zoom out. Yeah, so we're almost towards the prior all-time high back here in the dot-com bubble. That's right around the $300 level. So it's not a new all-time high forever, but it's a new all-time high for the past, 20 years, you could say. So again, it's working its way up, still very bullish. You can see that it's continuing to push up higher and higher. Let's go back to the regular chart. And my expectation is the mid 200s, and before we see a pullback, and then it will probably continue higher from there. So overall, still very bullish for MicroStrategy. Maybe we could put a channel on here. You can see that if I draw a channel off the swing lows, something like that, drag it up to the highs, you can see that also coincides where price is headed at the top of the channel. So pretty bullish for MicroStrategy on the daily and weekly charts. That's all I have for this stock this week, Saturday. If you guys want to see more of MicroStrategy, make sure you leave a like, make sure you leave a comment. That's all I have for MicroStrategy on the daily and weekly charts. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.